Hi, I'm Jordan, and I'm going to show you the partners area of the admin dashboard. On Intelligo, we can create what we call partners, you might call sponsors or exhibitors. In the admin dashboard, what we can do is click on the partners. You can see I've already created some partners here, but what I want to do is create a new partner. So I'll click Create Partner. Let's choose my microphone manufacturer. I can select a logo. I can choose whether I want to make them a headline partner, and also I can toggle partners on or off. This is so that if a partner is only sponsoring one day of the event, you can simply make them inactive and then activate them for the day that it's relevant. I can type out a description of my partner. I can also fill out their website, Facebook account, Instagram, and LinkedIn account. Finally, what we can do is we can link attendees of the event to these partners. This is done in the users area rather than the partners area. So I'll talk about that in another video.